Access to healthcare has taken on new urgency during the coronavirus pandemic, which has strained healthcare system throughout the country. But while assessing system-wide health quality is difficult in the US, according to a report from the Kaiser Family Foundation, the US continued to lag behind comparably wealthy and sizable countries in terms of healthcare even before the coronavirus pandemic, and the gap has widened behind the US health system and those of its peers. Within the US, some states offer better healthcare than others, according to a report released on Monday by WalletHub. Half of the states in the top 10 for healthcare are in the Northeast, while the rest are scattered throughout the country. Some of the top states also performed well in the US. News Best States for Healthcare ranking, with 6 of WalletHub's top 10 states for healthcare also being among the best in the US News ranking. On the other end of the spectrum, the 10 worst states for healthcare are largely made up of southern states, according to WalletHub, of which 7 rank among the bottom 10 states in the US News rankings as well. The report compared all 50 states and the District of Columbia using 44 measures of healthcare cost, access and outcome, such as average monthly insurance premium, average emergency room wait time and life expectancy, using data from the US Census Bureau and the Bureau of Labor Statistics, among other sources. While some states such as Utah and Idaho offer low insurance premiums, others such as New Mexico and Arizona excel with low cancer rate. Colorado and Alaska boast the lowest heart disease rates in the country, while Massachusetts and the District of Columbia have the largest share of insured adults.